Whether you're losing sleep as you browse Zillow at 2 a.m. looking at McMansions you can't afford, or enduring a Thanksgiving ambush from your aunt who insists on giving you a 2-hour tour of her newly renovated house, there's one thing you're bound to come across.
Barn door. Barn door. Barn doors.
Barn door.
Barn doors. Barn doors. Barn doors.
Sliding barn door.
Barn door.
Barn doors. Barn doors.
Barn door?
Barn door.
Right here, I built the dog door, the little barn door track. There's room under the stairs, and I like to use it.
In homes across America, barn doors have gone from being doors to keep your kids in to doors to keep your kids in. According to Zillow, houses on the market with barn doors even sell 6.5 days faster. And while Sarah Paulson will judge you for having barn doors,
I don't like the barn door. It's not a judgment. It kind of is a judgment.
what she may not have considered were the pros. Sliding along a track instead of swinging open requires less clearance than traditional doors. Installing barn doors is relatively easy and straightforward, and they are easier to open and close than traditional doors. But they're pretty major cons. They require double the wall space of the width of the door to slide open, limiting where you can put furniture or hang those beautiful portraits of your kids. And due to their design, barn doors typically don't have any ceiling, allowing light, temperature, sound, and smell to pass right through. So with these major cons, why have barn doors slid into the homes of so many Americans? Well, to answer that, we have to talk about
modern farmhouse.
a variation of the shabby chic trend from the 1990s. Modern farmhouse combines contemporary design with industrial touches, while having a cozy and rustic feel. If we look at Google Trends, the phrase modern farmhouse started to climb in popularity around December 2016. Think shiplap walls, reclaimed wood, and lots of white paint. And no modern farmhouse home is complete without big words disguised as art, reminding you that you are indeed home as you walk through your front door, to eat every time you step into the kitchen, or to relax as you're sitting on the toilet. But if barn doors are the gateway drug and modern farmhouse is a drug dealer, then who is the drug lord orchestrating this entire operation? HGTV. We can pretty much blame HGTV. Joanna Gaines from the HGTV show Fixer Upper, along with numerous other HGTV shows, played a major role in showcasing and popularizing the whole modern farmhouse look. There's a moment in season 1 where she explains this trend perfectly when she describes her use of barn doors as window shutters and says,
What I think is great about these is it ties in what's going on the outside to the inside of your house. And I think these say Texas, Margie.
They totally do.
Oh my gosh!
the modern farmhouse trend, like any other trend, will come and go. And according to Google Trends, it's actually on its way out. At the end of the day, all that matters is creating a space that you want to come home to. And if there's one trend the entire internet unanimously agrees should never make a comeback, it's definitely carpet in the bathrooms.